Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today announced slew of development measures to kickstart the Golden Jubilee Celebration of Meghalaya Statehood next year. Speaking at the 49th Meghalaya Statehood Day at Usosotham Auditorium in Shillong, the Chief Minister said numerous developmental activities will take place during the year-long statehood celebration. He said infrastructure, education, health, sports and youth activities will be taken up in the state as part of the celebration. Referring to the 49th Meghalaya Statehood Day, Sangma paid tribute to the former Chief Minister like Captain Williamson A. Sangma, Bibi Lingdo and all those people who had dedicated their lives for the attainment of Meghalaya statehood.
Williamson Sangma, D.D. Pugh, J.J. Nicholas Roy, Bibi Lingdo, and many more who sacrificed many things so that we could today celebrate this 49th anniversary of our statehood. At the same time, we should also feel proud and keep reminding ourselves that the sacrifices that were made by those great leaders must not go in vain. We must cherish it, and we must keep reminding ourselves that yes, we got the statehood, or we got the state. And last 49 years have gone where a lot of things have happened. But many more years are there in front of us where we as citizens in different positions have our responsibility towards our people and our state. Last 49 years journey has seen many ups and downs. It's never a perfect journey. There will always be challenges. The statehood, life in itself, will throw up many challenges to us. But in spite of all these challenges that our state faced, our state has moved forward in many ways. From the aspects of governance to development, different aspects of community participation, in all these fields, and a number of facts have been presented by speakers before me of how our state has moved forward in these last 49 years. And we should all be thankful to each and every one who has contributed to these last 49 years and brought the state to where we are today.
Speaking on the occasion, Additional Chief Secretary M.S. Roa informed that Meghalaya earned the reputation of being the best state in the country to contain the spread of coronavirus. Roa said that despite the COVID-19 pandemic, the state was able to carry out.
This year, I actually intend to focus on what we have done during the last 1 year since we observed the last statehood day. As mentioned earlier, the year was dominated by the COVID-19 pandemic, but I'm happy to say that as a state, we handled it well. I think we handled it better than most other states. With active cases of about 133 currently, it's amongst the lowest in the country, even in terms of overall cases per million population. We were amongst the lowest in the country. I would like to compliment my team of officers, doctors, health workers, and all the frontline workers who have done a stupendous job. And also I would like to thank all the community leaders and the citizens who extended their wholehearted cooperation.
The observance of Meghalaya Statehood Day was marked with giving of Meghalaya Day Awards to outstanding personalities in recognition of their work in literature, art and sports. Certificates of recognition were also given to government employees in recognition of their dedications towards public service. The day was marked with rendering of songs and music.